Hey, what's going on YouTube? Oscar here, SOS Customz. Today we're going to be installing a front lip on the 2013 Mustang. I'm going to walk you through how we're going to do it. So as you can see, this thing has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 fasteners secured. So
yeah, he knows how to count.
So
Count all the way to 12.
I counted. It took me a while to count, but
You got stuck at 8.
yeah. But we're gonna go ahead and take this off, and then we're gonna see how this lip fits. Now, the customer purchased it off a site called American Muscle, and he says that it actually doesn't fit this model. So we're gonna see if that's true or not. All right, it looks like that's all the hardware that's left on that thing. So let's see if we can get this thing off in one piece. All right, came off pretty easily. Let's compare this lip to the other lip that we have in front of it. So it looks pretty similar as far as all the mounting points. So it should go right up. So let's check that out. See if we can. All right, guys, let's just take a look at how much hardware holds up the Mustang lip. I'm gonna go ahead and count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 33, 34. So 34 total screws and clips hold up the front lip. So don't lose any and don't have any extra. Okay, so follow this way. So we secured all the screws. So if you're doing this without a lift, you're more than likely gonna have to take the bumper off. But we got all the main screws in. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We still gotta do these 3 over here and these 3 over here, and then we gotta secure the motor cover back on. But this motor cover does not line up with this slip, so we're gonna have to make something so they will align, because this is supposed to bolt up to right here, but as you can see, when this thing closes, it doesn't align the same. So we're gonna have to make something that will make it be secure with the lip, so it won't be flying off and dangling. And
So this is gonna fall inside. Oh, okay. See that? I'm just trimming it up. So when we put it in, I want to use these again to reinforce the slip and hold the splash guard. Because this is gonna hold the splash guard.
Yeah.
But I want to reinforce it just like Ford did.
okay.
You know, just in case they do run over somebody.
So like a little bit of re-engineering.
Re-engine slightly. It's a Mexican way.
Mexican way, alright.
Got it. Custom.